If you are the one who has a little bit interest in share market but have low investment, low risk bearing capacity, less time, no proper knowledge of share market and want highly professional people to manage your money, then mutual fund is your alternative choice. You may be shocked to hear that with only low investment or with just $100, you can buy the shares of 5 blue chips company by investing through mutual funds. But a question may arise in your mind, how is it possible? For this answer, without skipping a second, watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, I'm Sri Erike. If you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe my channel. So, in this video, I'm gonna cover what is mutual fund, its advantages, what services mutual funds do provide, and the right strategies for selecting best mutual funds, etc. Before starting the video, let me define you investment company. An investment company is a financial intermediary that receives money from shareholders and then invests those funds in a diverse portfolio of securities. In essence, the investment company sells its own share to raise money and use it to purchase financial assets such as stocks and bonds, etc. Why I define this? Well, to tell you that mutual fund is one of the most popular type of investment company. So, let's move to the main topic. What is mutual fund? Mutual fund, in simple language, is a type of investment company that receives money from many investors, collects money, and invests those money in a diverse portfolio of securities. That means, it splits a person's money into many parts and then invests each into one company and generates various portfolios. For example, if you invest $100 in mutual funds, it may split your $100 into maybe 5 parts or 10 parts or 12 parts, etc. Let's assume it splits into 5 parts and invest each $20 in 5 companies, that means in various sectors. Mutual funds are well managed by asset management company. This asset management company hires professional managers who are well informed about the market. They analyze and study each and every company and select the best one to invest. Mutual funds can help in spread of risk, diversification in portfolio, expert and professional management of your money. It has low brokerage and transaction cost, flexibility, lower tax and higher returns. So its popularity is increasing day by day. Mutual funds help in accumulation of wealth, short-term trading, storehouse of value, and when investment environment changes, investor can use mutual fund for even speculation purpose. Now talking about the advantages of mutual fund. Number first is diversification of portfolios. We all know that diversification can improve the risk-return trade of associated investing. Mutual fund provide a well-diversified portfolio for the investor as it owns multiple securities. A diversified portfolio is the biggest thing for any investor. Number second advantage is professional management. As a beginner in secondary market, we won't be able to understand its volatility. By investing in mutual fund, we don't need to think about what to buy, when to buy and when to sell. They have a team of well-skilled professional managers who will do this work for us. Also, you can hire personal manager, but it is very costly. But in other hands, mutual fund do it for free or with less charge. Number third is liquidity. Mutual funds is just like stock markets where we can easily sell or buy the shares whenever or wherever we want. Number fourth is participation of small investor. Mutual funds provide small investor an opportunity to invest in securities. That is, an investor with less investment can easily enter this fund. For example, an investor with $100 can buy the securities of high price stocks such as of Apple, Amazon, Tesla, etc. Number fifth is economy. Mutual fund achieves important economies of scale in selecting stock and managing a well-diversified portfolio, whereas managing our diversified portfolio individually takes more time and it's more costly. Number 6 is it can beat inflation. Mutual fund can help to beat inflation because in general it gives around more than 10% annual returns, which is actually twice than by a saving bank account. But having these huge advantages, it may have some drawbacks. I'll try to list 3 major limitations of mutual fund. Number first is various fees and expenses. Mutual funds often charges various types of fees and expenses. Investors' cost of investing decreases due to such fees and expenses and return may decrease. Number second is tax. Mutual funds do not consider individual investors' tax position. Investor may lose benefit of tax by investing in mutual funds. Number 3 is, it do not consider investors' objective. Mutual funds have own investment objective. It does not consider investors' investment objective. Next topic we are going to discuss is about types of mutual fund. There are mainly two types of mutual fund. They are open-end mutual fund and closed-end mutual fund. Now discuss these mutual funds in details. Number first is open-end mutual fund. They are always ready to issue share at their NAV continuously. So what is NAV? NAV is net asset value, which means net assets divided by number of the shares outstanding. That is, NAV equals to assets minus liabilities by number of the shares outstanding. In the open-ended mutual fund, price cannot fall below their NAV. That means price is not puzzling. In open-ended mutual funds, number of outstanding shares changes regularly. That means it has no authorized capital. This type of mutual fund is very popular all over the globe. Number second is closed-end mutual fund. This type of mutual fund are not ready to issue share at their NAV regularly. Price is actually determined by demand and supply condition and many other factors. So the price of this fund may goes down their NAV too, and price seems puzzling. Closed-end mutual fund has authorized capitals and number of outstanding share varies rarely. This type of mutual fund is not as popular as open-end mutual funds. Now the next topic is services provided by mutual funds. Number first is periodic investment plan. Shareholders can give standing order to bank to transfer specified amount periodically from bank account to the fund. Number second is automatic reinvestment plan. Instead of paying dividends and capital gains to shareholders in cash, the fund's shares option automatically reinvest the distributions. Number third is periodic statement. Mutual fund often provides shareholders with periodic statement that shows how much their shares have earned, what their shares are currently worth, new share purchased, share redeemed, and so forth. It is also periodically distribute information on their expenses and portfolio compositions. Number fourth is exchange privilege. Mutual funds offer exchange privilege, which allows shareholders to transfer money investment from one fund to another. Number fifth is check writing privilege. Many fixed income and money market funds offer check writing privilege. The check can be used just like bank checks. Now heading to the next topic, that is selection of mutual fund. Well, what to consider when selecting a best mutual fund? We'll give the answer in this topic. Selecting mutual fund is not an easy task. As an investor, we must consider some of the factors that helps in obtaining sufficient information in order to make investment decisions. So first factor is investment objective. We must focus in terms of appropriate risk-return trade-off and should include consideration of cost of investing, liquidity, taxes, investment horizons, etc. For example, an investor whose principal objective is long-term growth in capital should select growth-oriented mutual funds. Number second is services provided by mutual fund. We must consider the periodic investment plan, automated reinvestment plan, periodic statement, check writing privilege and exchange privilege, etc. Number third is fees and charges. We must select a mutual fund with a low percentage of charges and fees. These fees may be lower charge, which should be less than 8.5% of amount invested. Another is 12B1 fees, which may range up to 1.25% of NVA annually. And we should also consider another charges like management fees, transaction cost, accounting, distributing, and other costs. And the final factor is mutual fund performance. Mutual fund performance is an important indicator of selecting mutual fund. We should consider historical performance of the fund as well as present absolute performance by analyzing holding period returns, expenses ratio, etc. Hope you guys get detailed information on mutual fund. If you find this video informative, don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video till the end.